Okay, let's see what else we can extract from body plot. So something called static error coefficient we have seen in time domain responses. Uh, that also you can extract from body plots, specifically from initial slope of body plot. Okay, the traditional way which we used to know is Kp will be equal to limit s tends to 0 g of j omega h of j omega. That was the I should write in this way. If we, this is g of s h of s into g of s h of s square into g of s h of s. This is how we used to calculate Kp, Kv, Ka static error coefficients. This was for type 0 system, this was for type 1 system, and this was for type 2 system. Okay, now this was the way we know. Now how to use body plots? So just for Kp you don't have to do anything. The value of K which is there in GSHS, mind you, again it is type 0 system. Okay, this is type 0 system. The value of K will directly be equal to Kp. Okay, that is the type 0 system case. When type 1 system case, Kv will be equal to omega value. What is the omega? Here you can see, let's say this is the magnitude plot given to you and this is the slope. This is necessary, it should be minus 20 dB per deck since it is type 1 system. So you extend this line, this initial slope, to where it is cutting 0 dB axis, where it will cut 0 dB axis. That value of omega will be Kv. Okay, that is how you are using initial slope. Extend it where it will cut 0 dB axis, the value of omega will be same as Kv. That is for type 1 system. Now when you have type 2 system, this slope will be minus 40 dB per deck, initial slope. When you extend this, whatever the value of omega will be, square it, and that will be the value of acceleration constant. Okay, so that is how you calculate Kp, Kv, Ka in body plots from initial slopes. Specifically, this is not required any initial slope. Directly you can take it from GSHS, but for these two you have to take initial slope. Difference is here the initial slope is minus 20 dB per deck because of type 1 system, here minus 40 dB per deck because of type 2 system. And you extend it, you get the value of omega. Here the omega value is Kv, but here the omega square value is Ka. Okay, that is how you can calculate static error coefficient. I think it's straightforward, nothing to look for. Okay, so that is one extra information you can extract from body plot.